Hi, it's Nick at Jordanbikes and welcome to another video of ours. So we're filming this in high definition, and if you press the button in that corner you can watch it in high definition too. So today we are selling this Suzuki V Strom 1000. These have the fantastic V-twin stonking engine. Really good value for money bike these as well for the spec you get. They come with ABS, adjustable traction control. This one's also got heated grips. It's got a power socket as well, so if you want to charge your phone or your sat nav you can do. Really nice bike to ride, so comfortable. This one is a 2015 15 plate. It's done 13,576 miles, and as you can see it comes with a 3-piece Suzuki luggage and the engine bars as well, and hand guards as well, just to keep the wind off your hands. I'll start it up so you can have a listen. So if you don't have 13 or 14 grand for an R1200 GS, but you do want to tour around Europe, this could be a good option. So there you go, you've seen it. Either pop down or give us a ring and we'll take your money over the phone. Thanks for watching, cheers. Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.